Hey there, streamers! Are you ready to level up your streaming game? Today, I'll walk you through the installation and setup of MixItUp, the free bot that can make your stream smarter, smoother, and way more fun. Step number 1, it's easy. You get your browser and you head up to mixitup.com. Of course, I'm gonna leave you all the links in the description below. This is the official site. Here you have all the info, the home, the about, the features, the link to the wiki, the info on the team and content. And what you need right now, that is your download button. Once you're here, you can download the installer or you can download the zip version. To download the installer, it's super easy. You just save. Same things goes for the installer. You can decide which version of MixItUp you want, if you want to install it on the computer or if you want it to run on the computer without installation, then you're gonna need the zip version. I personally use the installer because I have MixItUp installed on my PC, but for today, I'm gonna work on the portable version because I want to start from zero. And of course, my MixItUp is already busy. Once you download the application, you recover it from your download folder and you install it as every other app. But I'm going to open the zip version to show you how it works. So the zip version is a big folder in which you have a lot of things. We kind of don't care about all of it apart the file called mixitup.exe. That's what we open. So we open it. Now, if you install it through the installer or if you are using the zip version, and if the first time that you use the app, this is what MixItUp is gonna show. If it's the first time that you need the app, you're gonna need to create a new profile. If you already use MixItUp and you have a saving, you can do restore settings, but we are going to create a new profile. So clicking on new profile, of course, you're going to have the license agreement that you should read with a lot of attention. And once you read it, you go and click accept. And now you have the new user wizard. Here you have a bunch of infos and links, the Discord server, the YouTube channel, the Twitter page, and the wiki. This is always important things that you find also on the site. So we just click next. And this, of course, is the most important part of the setup because here it's where you're going to connect your streaming accounts. You can connect more than one platform at the same time. And something that I appreciate a lot about MixItUp that not many other bots gives you the possibility to do is that you can actually connect two accounts. So you can connect your streamer accounts, but if you don't want all the commands and all the messages being sent from your streamer account, you can actually connect a second account that can be your bot. For example, for my Twitch, I have ellyskey as a streamer and ellyskey as a bot, and same for YouTube, I have ellyskey co-working corner as a streamer, and then I have the YouTube profile that I created for the community as a bot. I personally never use Trovo, but here you can also connect your Trovo, so if you're a Trovo streamer, let me know your experience, because it's not a platform that I hear a lot. And if you're wondering, yes, the developers of MixItUp are well aware that Kick is much requested, and they are currently working on it. Once you decided which platform and which accounts to connect, you simply click and MixItUp is going to redirect you to the browser page that right now I'm not going to show you, to log in with your accounts. Keep in mind that if you want to connect two accounts, you probably need to use two different web pages because otherwise it's going to send you to the main account that you have. Again, both for Twitch, YouTube, and Trovo. Once you connected your account, this is the page, if everything went successfully, that you should see, and you can close the page and go back to your bot. Now I'm logged with, I think, the third Twitch account that I have, but I needed to show you how it works. Once you connected all your accounts, you just click next. Here, MixItUp is going to explain you how it works. As I said in the previous video, that is the intro. MixItUp is great because you don't need code if you don't want to do special things, and it works by blocks. So chaining the actions and create complicated commands is actually really easy. So this, for example, it's really important. Be sure to choose a location for your background that you are going to remember and that you are not going to touch, because once you start using Mix It Up a lot, you're gonna have a lot of files, you're gonna have a lot of settings, and losing the backup is not that great. Once you install it and you're done with the setup, this is what you see. This is the first page that Mix It Up is going to show you. Here you have the chat and you can use it. It's an actual chat in which you can write. You can write from the streamer point of view, but also from the bot point of view. Now, I don't have it because I didn't connect a bot, but you can decide which profile you want to use to send messages. Here you have the dashboard. If you click, you have the dashboard. You can clear the chat, you can disable the chat, and you can pause command. This is the setup of Mix It Up. It's super, super easy, super fast, so you can do it. Next video, we're going to talk about chat commands and special identifier. For now, that's all. As always, if you have questions or requests of features that you want me to see building, you find the form linked in the description of the video with all the other links. And that's it for today. Thank you for sticking around and see you next video. Bye.